cheap products, equity groups, and what all that has to do with the price of tea in China. Coming up.
Calling all detailers, gather round the light. Pearl Nano.
Hey everybody, David Elliott here from Pearl Nano and Calling All Detailers. And did you know that there's been a big shift in the detailing product world? A few years ago, one of the biggest companies, product companies, and their subsidiary company that they supplied both got bought out by a large equity group. Well, in the past year, the biggest companies in the detailing product world and a secondary company and a microfiber company all got bought out by another equity group. What does that have to do with anything? And the price of tea in China? Well, the China part has nothing to do with anything. What it does have to do with is the shift in the marketplace. And what do equity groups want? Well, they want profit. How are they going to get profit? They're going to squeeze the little guy. They're going to not care about the quality of certain products. They might even change formulations and give and produce and provide low quality products so they can make more profit. Okay? The smaller companies like mine, we're not going to change. We're going to have high quality products that produce amazing results. And you'll know if you're using one of these products and then you go to buy another product or the same product, but you ran out and you had to resupply, and you're like, this is nothing like. I bet you this is nothing like what you were using before. This stuff, the marketplace is changing. You're going to find out one way or another. So, just want to let you know, the landscape is different now. Your products may be different if you're buying one of these other companies. And hopefully the shock isn't too bad. If you'd like to switch from those products to Pearl Nano, just let me know. We got a great sample pack. You can try all of them. I might even send it to you for free. Okay? Again, David Elliott from Pearl Nano and Calling All Detailers. If you have any questions, give me a call. 808-779-7163 or dave@pearlnano.com. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Calling all detailers, gather round the light. Pearl Nano shining, every surface looking right. Pro grade coatings only, built for those who know. Crafting glossy